Hey guys, Ryan here with BuiltRight. Today we're going to walk you through some of the design process and prototyping that we've done for the cab wall MOLLE panel on our Chevy Colorado. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're here at the computer. Here is our cab wall prototype. We're just about ready to send it to the laser. You can kind of see here, we have the bend in it already there. We have this other jog we got to take care of. Now it's just time to save it as a 2D cut file and cut it. Look at that. We're one under. See 5.2. Okay. All right, here's our production panel installed. We're really happy with the fit and finish of this. The one thing to note that'll be different is the seam between the panels. We aren't able to make a jog here, but the final product will have a jog to connect the two panels together really securely. As you can see, this has a ton of real estate. We have this mocked up with traction boards and acts, a couple different pack out options. You can really just get creative, put whatever you want on here. All right, we're here at the tailgate of the truck. This is our first prototype, second prototype, and third prototype you have back here. This first one was hand bent, so we got the angles pretty close, but not perfect. There's some seams in it. This was done so we could hand bend it. There's just little slits along the whole bend line. And then as you can see, some of the paint's not perfect. This is just a rattle can, just enough to kind of get an idea of what it'll look like when it's finished. Just like all of our production panels, this will have a durable textured black powder coat. It's also a big panel, which we quickly realized after moving this around, it's too heavy and big for shipping. So in order to make it a little bit cheaper for shipping for you guys, we divided it into two panels. So this panel, this is our second prototype. We actually were able to bend this on our press brake. Unfortunately, one of these bends we didn't get quite right, so in order to make sure everything fit the way it was supposed to, we decided we should make a third prototype, and that's what you see installed on the truck. Fits well, we got all of our measurements dialed in and our bends figured out, and we're ready to go to production. Thanks for coming along with us to see the fitment and kind of prototyping that we do for this cab wall MOLLE. This is installed again on our 3rd gen Colorado. It also fits the GMC Canyon 3rd gen. If you like what you see, you have a friend who has it, look on our website, it's on there now. If you have any questions or feedback, leave it down below. If you want to just reach out to us directly, feel free to do that. Have a good one.